What's up, online shoppers? I've got my brand new Blackstone collapsible stand for the 17 to 22 inch Blackstone Griddle. I have a 22 inch one, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the griddle on. Now, before I do that, a couple quick things I want to show you. First of all, this is fully collapsible. It is going to collapse right down to something that will fit in your trunk or in your RV or on a shelf in your garage. It has these pins at the back, and when you pull this pin out, it makes the leg collapsible. And look at that. It just collapses like that, and then it locks into place. So you pull the pin out and it folds this way, and then you let it go and you hear that clip, and it has securely gone right back into place. Now, as well, as far as compact nature of this stand, it also has a removable side shelf, and all you have to do to take it off is just pop it up like this, and off it comes. When you collapse the stand down, it's actually going to go right inside, so it will be really nice and compact. And reinstalling the stand is easy. There are these little keyholes here, and as I can show you now, there are 4 bolts right there, and the keyholes are going to fit right in there. I'm really happy with how sturdy it is when I put them on. I'm just going to reinstall this right now, like that. Give it a push, and it is good to go. Now, let's put the griddle on. Now, the bottom of my Blackstone has these legs right here. So all I have to do is fit the legs into the holes on the stand. Like that. And like that, and my griddle is securely installed. It's a nice sturdy stand. The griddle fits in, and you remember how I showed you there were 2 sets of holes there on the bottom? That's so that this will accommodate either the 17-inch griddle or the 22-inch griddle, which is pretty cool. And if you haven't seen the inside of a Blackstone, it is a sight to behold. Here we go. Open that up. You've got this really nice powder-coated aluminum lid and an awesome cook surface. You would not believe how much you can fit on here. A ridiculous amount you can cook on here. Now, mind you, there is a seasoning process that you have to do for the griddle, but once you do it, this is something you never have to do again. You just keep cooking on it, and it will be an enjoyable experience for you. If you are looking for a great stand for your Blackstone griddle, this one here is definitely one you should consider. It is sturdy, it is adjustable, it is collapsible, and it's super functional with this awesome little removable side tray here. Definitely one to consider. It's a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.